Hello, it's George and welcome to George Basics. In this video I want to teach you guys how to make a Telegram account without phone number. But this method is not free, it costs around 10 cents. First of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Okay guys, to make Telegram without phone number you should use this website, which is called sms-activate.ru. This website where you buy a phone number and you use this phone number to activate your account. So here are several locations, for example Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Indonesia, USA and Germany. Let's see Russia. The most cheap numbers are on Russia. At the moment there are 180 Telegram account numbers, so I will use one of them. I will click Telegram and I will click buy. It costs 9 rubles, which is 9 rubles is nearly 12 cents. You should deposit to your balance 12 cents to buy Telegram number. Okay guys, here I have BlueStacks. You can do it in your mobile phone. I will go to Google Play and I will download Telegram. So guys, we downloaded Telegram. Now I will open it and try to make account without phone number. Start messaging, and now we should type the phone number we bought on this website. Let's choose Russia because our number is from Russia. Type the number. I'll do it 7. Okay, let's click next and wait SMS, which will come here to this phone number. I will wait a couple of seconds. Okay, you see the SMS came. Here is code. I will copy this code and type to Telegram. Okay, here I should type the name, last name, click next, continue, and you see we got a new Telegram. Here's our number, here's our profile. We can set the profile picture, we can change the name, and etc. We made a Telegram without phone number. We bought a phone number on SMS Activate.ru, and the cost was 12 cents. So it's cheap guys. You can make plenty of Telegram accounts if you want. So guys, this was all. If you liked my video, you can click the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.